Unlock the secret of pastel portrait painting techniques. In this comprehensive tutorial, whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, discover method that will elevate your skills and bring your portrait to life. If it's your first time coming across this channel or page, do well and subscribe or follow me and stay tuned for more art tutorial or tips. In this channel or page, I'll teach the young coming artists how to draw and perfect their drawing and take their drawing to next level. So watch this video till the end. So this is my soft pastel. Yes, as you can see here, I start with this woman. After laying the colors, I'm trying to work with them, and yes, so that I can have more idea. So after putting the color here, I use yellow and orange, white, because she's more of fair person. So as you can see, so if it's your first time coming across the channel, subscribe or share it. Tell me what you think about the drawing process. If you're interested, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more art and tips. As you can see, my advice to the upcoming artists: always try your best and keep practicing and be doing your art. With these little tips can help you to perfect your drawing and take your art to the next level. So I drop tutorial like this to help and guide you with your art, being painting or pastel or charcoal pencil. Hope you will get one or two and add to your experience. Information is power. So what do you see now? We are coming close to the end of the portrait. As you can see, I formed all the features now that are very clear now. What I love this about this drawing, the lady's body smile that really caught my attention, and growth. So comment, share, tell me what you think of it. See you in my next video.